We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to present a comprehensive and expert-driven overview of the Minetom 2-pack fairy lights plug-in, featuring 40 feet of 120 LED multicolor waterproof string lights on silver wire. These fairy lights have become a popular choice for a variety of decorative uses, including weddings, parties, bedrooms, Christmas, and outdoor settings. The product is designed to offer a bright, starry, firefly-like ambiance with its numerous LEDs wrapped in epoxy, creating a dreamy lighting effect reminiscent of twinkling stars or fireflies dancing in a garden. This effect is one of the standout features that users consistently praise. The lights are composed of multicolor micro-LEDs with large chips, which are brighter than many other fairy lights on the market. This brightness makes them effective for both accent lighting and mood enhancement without being overpowering. Many users appreciate the warm, soft glow these lights emit, which adds a cozy and romantic atmosphere to any space. Some reviewers note that the color temperature leans towards a warm white, though a few wished it was slightly warmer, but overall, the lighting is gentle and pleasing to the eye. A significant advantage of these lights is their waterproof design, rated IP65 for the string portion, excluding the power adapter. This feature allows for safe use outdoors in various weather conditions without worry about damage or short circuits. Users have reported leaving the lights outside in rainy weather with no issues, which speaks to the durability and reliability of the product. The lights remain cool to the touch even after extended use, eliminating concerns about overheating. The silver wire is thin yet sturdy, composed of 3 strands that maintain stable brightness and flexibility. This flexibility is highly valued by users who enjoy twisting and shaping the lights around objects such as poles, furniture, plants, or artificial trees. The wire's discreteness also means the lights appear to float in the air, enhancing the magical effect. Some users have creatively woven the lights through fake ivy or placed them inside decorative vases, highlighting the versatility of the design. In terms of usability, the lights come with a corded electric power source and include an adapter for easy plug-in use. There is no remote control or timer included, but many users have adapted by plugging the lights into outlets with switches or timers to manage on-off cycles conveniently. The length of each string, approximately 40 feet with 120 LEDs, allows for extensive coverage, making it possible to decorate large areas or multiple rooms. Longevity and quality are other aspects where these fairy lights excel. Several users report owning their lights for years without any bulbs burning out, even with near daily use. The durability of the wiring and LEDs means these lights provide excellent value for the price. Some have noted a slight dimming after prolonged use, which is expected, but overall, the lights maintain a consistent and attractive illumination. The product is lightweight and compact, making storage easy and hassle-free. Users find it simple to reel in the wire after use and keep it tidy for future occasions. This practicality adds to the overall positive experience of owning these lights. While overwhelmingly positive, a few minor critiques have emerged from user feedback. Some wish for a warmer white option or a remote control feature for added convenience. Others mention the absence of a built-in timer. However, these points have not detracted significantly from the overall satisfaction with the product. In summary, the Minetom 2-pack fairy lights plug-in offer a magical, bright, and flexible lighting solution suitable for a wide range of decorative needs. Their waterproof and durable design, combined with a soft multicolor glow, makes them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether enhancing the ambiance of a party, wedding, holiday celebration, or simply adding a cozy touch to a living space, these lights deliver excellent performance at an affordable price. We highly recommend these fairy lights to anyone looking to elevate their decor with ease and style. If you have used these lights, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description to support our channel and help you find this charming lighting option.